Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to enhance a photo using Pixellab. So if you want to know how I enhance this photo, stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm just going to be opening my Pixellab and then I'll be going to one of my projects that I have created before in the past to show you guys how you can enhance your photos using just Pixellab. A lot of people feel like you can't be able to adjust or enhance some photos using Pixellab, but there's actually a way that you can at least bring out your pictures and make it to pop out a little. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go over to open my PLP file and just select one of my projects. So I'll just be checking on the one to select. Okay, let me select this photo manipulation that I did. You can see this guy looks so hot. So, and you can see this picture, I enhanced it with just Pixellab, and I'm just going to show you exactly how I did that using your color filters. That was what I did. So this head here, this is just basically what I did. Not much stress. So this is actually how the picture was before I enhanced it, and you can see even though it looks good, it looks very pale and dull, and I just wanted to pop it out a little bit. So what I did was just to use my color filters right here, and then just go to your color filters, go over to your saturation option and move it up a bit. I think 21 is okay. You can even make it up to 25 depending on the picture. Let's say you have a picture that is of good quality but you just need to pop it out a bit. So that's just what I did. You can decide to increase the brightness of it or reduce it, come over to contrast. You can see it just gives the picture that pop-up bit. I'm going to reduce the brightness a bit to make the picture look more realistic. Yep. Let's make the brightness -20, contrast, let's make it 10, saturation, this is okay. As you can see the difference of how it was before and now. The hue, let's give it some color, and just in few steps you have changed the image from how it was before to how it is now. So if you feel like you need to enhance your photos using Pixellab, this is a way you can use it. This is a way you can do that. So this is a way you can do it in just simple, easy steps. It didn't even take us up to a minute to do that. So if you found this video useful, please do well to drop a comment to tell me what you think. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.